इंग्लिश के एमसीक्यूज़ पर मबनी ये वीडियो नंबर 4 है, जो कि पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी, एसपीएससी, एनटीएस, केपीपीएससी तमाम मुकाबला जाती इम्तहानात में ये सवालात पूछे जाते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, सम पीपल डैश टू द ऑफिसर अगेंस्ट हिम अबाउट हिज मिसडीड्स। Its answer is option B, complaint. Next question, if we go to the park, dash you like to come to, question mark. Its answer is option C, would. Next question, it is certain that human beings dash latent power of which they are only vaguely aware. Its answer is option B, possess. Next question, it is already 5 o'clock, can you dash time to catch the bus? Its answer is option C, make it in. Next question, the man down the road is my brother. Its answer is option D, whoring. D is correct option. Next question, all of us are devoted dash one another. Its answer is option C, to one another. Next question, I am very much dash to meet you. Its answer is option D, delegated. I am very delegated to meet you. Sorry, delighted. Delegated, not delighted. Option D is delighted to meet you. Next question, I shall look dash the matter. And its answer is option C, into. I shall look into the matter. Next question, he is blind dash one eye. Its answer is option A, in. He is blind in one eye. And the last question of this video, the building is not safe and must be dash down. Its answer is option C, pulled. The building is not safe and must be pulled down. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।